We Learn to Swim. Written by Sarah Gusan. Illustrated by Mary Yules. Focus question. What skills do people practice as they learn to swim? We are learning to swim this week. What are we going to learn? It is Monday. We learn to blow bubbles. It is Tuesday. We learn to kick. It is Wednesday. We learn to paddle. It is Thursday. We learn to dunk. It is Friday. We learn to float. It is Saturday. We learn to jump. It is Sunday. Now we practice what we have learned. Connections, writing, and art. Do you like to go swimming? Why or why not? Draw a picture and write about it. Social studies. What are some rules for staying safe around the water? Make a poster for water safety and share it with your classmates.